nice and tall. Come into your practice. Closing your eyes, crown of the head lifts. Nice deep inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Again, big inhale. And exhale. Two more, big inhale. And exhale. Always giving gratitude for this earth, the indigenous peoples of this land. This practice of yoga and Black and Brown people as the original creators of this practice. To our bodies, ourselves, our ancestors, and our lineage. And if there's a person or persons, place or places that you'd like to dedicate your practice to today, you can take the time to do so now. Nice deep inhale. And exhale. Go ahead and slowly blink open your eyes. Come into the room and into the space. Checking around what you detailing you haven't noticed before. Maybe something you've noticed but you've forgotten about. And then go ahead and slowly palm down on the right hand side. Sweep that left arm up and over. Reach through the heart. Pull through the fingertips. Big inhale here. Exhale, serve the earth. Hand swoops down and around in the front. Same thing on that opposite side. Inhale, arm sweeps. Exhale. One more time each side. Inhale, arm sweeps high. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, arm sweeps high. Exhale. Bring yourself back to center. Ground down again. Rock back on your sit bones. Change up the cross of the feet. Better way to start out. Ground down here. Sweep that arm up and high. Exhale, flip the palm and bring yourself through center line. Engage the low belly. Same thing on that opposite side. Inhale here. Exhale, flip and float. One more time. Inhale. Flip and float. Last time. Flip and float. Hands tend to the side, chin comes down towards the chest. Inhale. Chin rocks up towards the sky. We reach through the front part of our neck, opening up through our jawline and our throat. And then slowly bring your chin back down to center. Turn and look up past your left shoulder. And then slowly move yourself through center line, turn and look up past your right. Slowly bring yourself back to center and take that right hand to left knee, left hand swings back and behind. Tent the fingers at the base of the spine, pull up through the crown of the head. Pull up and in on the low belly, and maybe the hand comes around to grab onto the waistband of the pants or the inside of the hip. Big inhale. Exhale, slowly bring yourself through center line. Same thing on the opposite side. Hand to knee. Opposite hand spins back and behind. Tent the fingertips. Pull up through the heart and the chest. Maybe fingers come around to grab onto that waistband or the hip. Turning and looking out past that shoulder. And then slowly releasing. Bring yourself down to center line. Go ahead and roll over your hands and your knees onto your knees and shins. Hands come underneath your shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Big barrels today. So sit bones moving back towards heels, moving through your midline. And the same thing on that opposite side. Shift back and forth side to side. And then take your hands out in front of you, puppy pose. Hands come flat. Hips stay lifted, tops of the feet press flat into the mat, and forehead comes down to the mat. Breathe here for 3 big breaths. Exhale. 2 more big inhale. And exhale. Last one, big inhale. Exhale, shift yourself forward. Hips drop down to the mat, coming into your Sphinx pose. Elbows are underneath your shoulders, tops of the feet are engaged. Press down into the tops of the feet so the knees, and right above the knees on the thighs, come up off the mat. Lift through the crown of the head and the heart, big inhale. Press down through the pubic bone, but release through the glutes. Exhale. One more time, big inhale. Exhale, slowly lower. Hands come next to the bust line, tuck the toes, press to the knees, and pop your hips back and high. Pedal out through the heels, check in with the hands. Spot right between the 2 thumbs, and then step, step. Feet come up to meet hands. Inhale, hands to shins, flat back. Exhale, come down and over the tops of the thighs. And then on the next inhale, we sweep ourselves all the way up to stand. Let's go ahead and come into some modified, we'll do one standing really quick, and then some modified 70 stuff, warrior stuff today. So inhale, arms sweep back. Exhale, come down and over the tops of the thighs. Inhale, hands to shins, flat back. Exhale, hands down to the mat, step back into your plank, big inhale, press back through your heels. Maybe do a few mountain climbers here. We go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale. Lift into your forward facing dog. Big inhale. Tops of the feet press down into the mat. Shoulder blades roll down the back. And then roll over your big toes simultaneously. Pop your hips back and high. Hands are nice and wide. Spot in between your 2 thumbs, and then step, step. Feet come up to meet hands. Inhale, hands to shins, flat back. Exhale, down and over the tops of the thighs. Inhale, we sweep ourselves up to stand. Exhale. Hands move down through heart line. Inhale, sweep with yourself into chair pose. Arms come high here. Hold. Lift through the heart. Sit through the hips. Inhale, lift. Exhale, sit. One more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, sit. Hands move down through heart line. Come onto the ball of that left foot. Step your left foot back and behind. Check in with your hips. Keep your bend in your knee if you need to. Nice straight spine. Big inhale. Let's just do 4. We'll do 5 lunges. Big inhale. Exhale, lunge. Inhale, lift. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, and 1. towards the mat. Shift the weight of the hips over the heels. Ground down through the edges of the feet and the big toe mount. Inhale, hands come to waist. We bring ourselves up halfway, then all the way to rise. Pivot on the heel of the front foot. Press that back foot out. And then bring yourself down and over the top of that thigh. Step the right foot back and behind. Press back through the heels and shift forward. Yeah. Lower and lift. Big inhale. Exhale. Lower the big toes. Spot right in between the two thumbs. Step, step. Feet come up to meet hands. Inhale, hands to shins, flat back. Exhale, down and over the tops of the thighs. Inhale. Sweep yourself into chair. Big inhale here. Same thing, opposite side. Step. That right foot back and behind. Bend in that back knee. Wave lunges. 5 of them. Inhale. Exhale now. We go for 4, for 3, for 2, and 1. Inhale back. Exhale, drop your heel. Open up into your warrior 2. Nice deep inhale. Exhale, reverse your warrior. Hand to thigh or the low part of the back. Reach. Edge down through the back edge of your foot. Exhale, hold. One more time, big inhale. And then exhale. Straighten out through the front leg. Reverse triangle. Hinge the hips back. Reach through the fingertips. Hand comes down to shin. Opposite hand up to the sky. Big inhale. Slowly pull yourself back up. Pivot on the heel. Arms out to the side. And then slowly bring yourself down and over the tops of the thighs. Crown of the head comes to point down to the mat. Big inhale. Exhale, hold. Arms can be super heavy. Shifting the weight of the hips over the heels. And then hands come back to waist. Inhale, halfway. Exhale. Come up to stand. Pivot on the heel of the front foot. Ball of the back foot. Hands move down to the mat. Step that left foot back to meet the right. Press back through the heels and shift forward. Walk your hands back towards you. Shift over and onto your seat. And then go ahead and come all the way down onto your back. Grab your block. Block comes back behind the head. We're going to pulse here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big inhale. Soles of the feet come all the way up to the sky. Release the block. Press the block up to the feet for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big inhale. Exhale, lower down. Hands come down to your sides. You're going to lower the feet down. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Hover, point and pull. Pop the hips. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Point and pull, pop. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Point and pull, pop. 3 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Last 2. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Point and pull, pop. 10, 9, 8, right foot, right hand outside of left. We go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both fingers touch the feet. Slowly put a bend in the knees, soles of the feet come down to the mat. Fingertips graze the back sides of the heels. Press into the elbows and pop through the chest, and then lift the hips. Big inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. We go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, or 5, or 4, or 3, or 2, and 1. Big inhale. Exhale, release. Soles of the feet come together to touch. Knees come out to the side. Hands come to the belly. Big inhale here. Exhale, hold. Two more big breaths. Big inhale. And exhale. One more time, big inhale. Exhale. Draw your knees to center line, heel toe your feet out to the sides, knees knock in. Big inhale. And then exhale, heel toe your feet back to center. Extend your legs all the way down to the end of the mat. Toes back out to the side, palm face up to the sky, Shavasana. Coming into your breath. Nice deep inhale. And exhale. Two more big breaths. Big inhale. And exhale. Card for you today, my dear. Sensitivity. Heightened intuition and compassion. You're becoming more sensitive to the energy and vibrations that precede all physical creation. We can all sense these energies, but our rational minds often override our feelings. Sense beyond what you see with your eyes and hear in your mind. Trust your heart will bring together the most up-to-date information through your senses. When we're open to sensing and feeling love, it also means we're open to sensing and feeling fear. This clarifies the importance of actively choosing where you place your gaze and focus your energy. Don't let old stories determine what you will think and feel. There's no hiding behind words. Feeling sorry for another or situation doesn't help them or you. It takes you to a place where you can't hear any solutions and feeds back what they already know. You came here to create reality, not accept it. You attract what you are, not what you think or what you say, but what you feel. Celebrate your sensitivity. Without it, you may not realize you have a choice. What do you want to bring into your life? Take a nice deep inhale. And exhale. Again, big inhale. And exhale. Jane, I'm going to leave you in Shavasana today. Take your time just to feel yourself in your body. sees, honors, and reflects the divine light, the divine feminine, the divine masculine, and the divine love in you, the collective we, and all of us. Thanks for sharing your practice with me, lady, for trusting me with your body, heart, spirit, and soul. Take your time to just breathe. I'll see you soon.